All right, Caswell and I are going to make what?
A pneumatic cannon.
Otherwise known as a potato gun.
An air gun, Dad.
Whatever.
So for the first part, we're going to drill a hole in the end cap to fit the Schrader valve. So I'm putting the Schrader valve through. Okay, now let's move on to the next piece, which is hacksawing this. So now we're going to prime the pipe, and then stick the pieces together and glue them. The primer is much more liquid than I can. Oh, okay. Didn't you get primer on that though?
It's okay.
Put them together. And let's see how much excess we end up with. Put it together. The final product is an over 5-foot beast of a gun. Now we're gonna test it out.
After we let it cure.
All right, well, we're here testing out the gun. We're in a big field so we can see how far it goes. What are you thinking? You think it's gonna work?
Of course.
All right, let's see what happens.
You can hear the air pressure coming out as you squish it in. Why don't we start with 30?
40.
Okay,
40.
we'll start with 40 and then we'll see how far that goes.
Huh.
Holy crap.
Oh, okay, so we started out.
That was way too far.
We started out what we thought was low with 40 psi, and it shot
Oh my
probably
God.
3/4 of the way of a
We have to move up
standard field.
Test 3, 60 psi. That was pretty awesome. Test 4, 80 psi. Oh my. Test 6, 100 psi. Oh my God. The recoil on that was actually kind of crazy. Holy crap. I felt like a whoosh.
All right, so now we're gonna try out, we've tried the distance on the track and there was people coming, so we decided to come into the woods where there's, like, we got a nice big embankment we could shoot against. So we're trying it out now. We're gonna shoot at a tree at how many psi?
110. So our loader was a little plastic stick, and when we were loading it, it got stuck in the potato.
So we're firing the loader too?
Yeah, so we're firing the loader.
All right, let's see what that looks like.
110 psi. This tree over here, it's probably gonna shatter because it's plastic.
All right, let's see what that looks like.
3, 2, 1. Oh my God!
I couldn't even turn in time.
So now we're shooting at 120 psi. 3, 2, 1. Oh my God! 130 psi in slow-mo. Let's go. So this test is a bit over 140. We pumped it a bit too much, but that's not a problem. Okay, let's go. It's raining potato! PSI.
Straight up, almost. It just broke apart.